song was done by my dear uncle Mo. He was a man of aloha, and this song talks about that aloha. And that's something I really experienced here in Santa Cruz. Thank you so much. A promise, the sun will shine again, bringing fresh hopes and dreams with each new day that begins. Aloha is the sunlight shining through the darkness, giving strength to all we do. Aloha is the mind, the heart, in perfect harmony. It's tenderness and love deep in the heart of Hawaii. Hawaii is